Good morning everyone! Zoe here of Motorcycle Republic. And for today's ride, pupunta tayo sa may Lipa, sa may Chef Chateau. Legit na Batanggenyo ang host nitong ride na to. Ang Alae Club ng Motor Republic. So, tingin ko authentic to maganda tong pupuntahan natin. So, samahan nyo kami, ma-amaze tayo sabay-sabay. Kita-kita tayo doon.
I've been teaching you for 3 months. You're not paying attention to your class.
Pastry o pasta?
Pastry. Pastry. About the route, Lipa exit, and then status ngayon ng traffic sa approaching sa entrance ng Star Tollway, medyo bumabagal kasi gawa ng road widening. After nun, medyo okay na. Pag-alis natin dito, ang regroup natin, doon na sa ano? Sa exit ng Lipa.
Itong lugar na to used to be called The Palace. Owner nito, yung lolo nung husband nung kausap natin si Jenny. Nung 2019, ini-start niya to na parang ano lang siya by booking only. So ngayon lang nagkaroon ng cafe na pwede kang mag-walk-in para mag-order. So dati kailangan mo mag-book, tapos yung alam mo yung may mga ganung lugar na pagdating mo, dapat naka-pre-order na lahat ng food mo, dito ka magpapaparty, gano'n. Gano'n nag-start yung lugar. Okay yan.
Pati yung pastry.
Pati yung pastry. Yung pastry, bagong invention ni Sir Eric.
May kwento yung pastry. Pagka past 3 PM ka umorder, may discount.
I ordered the baked sausage and it comes in this. So it has the tortillas and it looks like it has that cucumbers and tomatoes to make it fresh and drizzled with cheese. So it's going to be a challenge to eat this. Actually, I don't know how to start. So I'll try it out. It's well cooked. Has a little bit of spiciness into it, but all the cucumbers and the cheese make it sweet and fresh as well. All good here at Chef Chateau. Should try this out.
Hi, good day. I'm Jennifer Mujares, the chef founder of Chef Chateau here in Ludlod, Lipa City, Batangas. I want you to experience the class, the uniqueness at saka creation na binuo ko sa mind ko. Nag-start ang Chef Chateau 2019 from a small group, and then pasa-pasa lang. Nagustuhan nila yung creation ko sa bawat plating ng food. And then, up to now, yun ang palagi nilang binabalikan. Although, for the walk-in, pwede tayong mag-order. We have a pastries, different kind of cakes, different sa mga supplier. Tinulungan namin sila since kasabayan din ng Chef Chateau sa pandemic. So, right now, if you want to book your experience our restaurant, book your reservation 3 days ahead of your time. Through our messenger and FB page. So, see you here, Monday to Sunday.
So, okay. Hi, good morning. I'm Migs from Motor Republic. We're here today at Chef Chateau. It's pretty straightforward. This place is very unique, no? Kasi parang it's really a getaway from the city. Kasi pagpasok mo ng restaurant nila, iba talaga yung ambience dahil parang may garden sila dito and they have exotic pets, no? Kung makita mo dito, may mga ibon sa loob, may albino python sila and may malaking iguana sa loob. So, it's really unique. Maganda siyang lugar pasyalan kasi marami ka makikita. Dun sa pangalan ng restaurant, medyo may mga foreign influences, so medyo French yung dating. Talagang hindi siya your typical na Filipino food na matitikman natin sa ibang restaurant. That's all. Punta kayo dito and experience firsthand yung Chef Chateau could offer. Thank you.
Alam nyo, bihira yung combination of budget-friendly and yung masarap na food dito sa Chef Chateau. Naranasan namin yung breakfast ride na to. And considering na more than 20 riders kami, medyo mabilis talaga yung serving nila. So, recommended siya sa May Lipa, Chef Chateau. See you sa next ride.